If weak solder joints, insufficient solder, or intermittent connections only show up during functional testing, the root cause may be much easier in the SMT process. Too little solder paste can lead to weak joints. Too much can cause bridging or even short circuits after reflow. For PCB assembly quality, we focus on 5 key checkpoints. Here is how we control them at Western. First, we run SPI inspection right after solder paste printing. Before component placement starts, we check the solder paste volume and alignment. This helps us catch issues such as inefficient paste or printing offset before they move downstream. Second, we perform first article inspection after component placement. A wrong component reverse polarity or placement offset may seem like a small issue, but it can create much more rework later. That's why we verify the first board in the run using a first article inspection system together with visual checks. We perform the component type, orientation, or placement accuracy. Third, we inspect the boards after reflow soldering. We use 3D AOI to check visible solder joints, component shifts, polarity errors, and other common soldering defects. For BGAs, QFNs, and other packages with hidden solder joints, we also use S3 inspection to evaluate the soldering underneath. Fourth, for projects with through-hole components and wave soldering, we perform a visual inspection after the wave process. We look for missing solder, solder bridges, insufficient solder, and other visible joint defects before the boards move to testing. Finally, after assembly, we'll perform functional testing and a final inspection. We do more than confirm that the board works as intended. We also check the overall assembly condition to reduce the risk of placement or soldering issues reaching your final products. PCB assembly is not just about placing components and running boards through soldering. It is about controlling every critical stage. From SPI and first article inspection to post-reflow inspection, functional testing, and final inspection, we aim to catch defects as early as possible. The result is more reliable assemblies, smoother testing, and less rework for a project. Planning a PCB assembly project? Talk to Western. We can review the required and discuss the right process and inspection plan for your application.